Black girl magic. And that's exactly what this lace is doing. Magically melting.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
Hey girlfriend, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig from BGM Girl Hair. They sent me out their 24-inch Kinky straight, a 9x6 closure wig. This wig does come with combs and an adjustable band. This adjustable band does have the rubber grip on it just to further the security of the wig and to help with any type of slip. It is everything, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, and just from out of the pack, it's already giving scalp.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Tell my baby, you selling back, son. These days don't look my age. Niggas be plastic.
With these glueless wigs, if you truly want it to be glueless, sprayless, but you really want it to melt, I've seen this hack where if you use water, yes, water, it like will melt it right into the skin, just as good as Got To Be Spray or the glue. So let's see, it's looking good already. Before we put any makeup on, I'm gonna try this hack. And we're gonna fingers crossed that it works. Let's see.
We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up.
So far, I'm impressed. BGM Girl Hair, y'all just might be it. Black girl magic. And that's exactly what this lace is doing. It's magically melting. Let me just curl this and cut some layers, and we're gonna see what this is really giving. Mind you, I have not put on any makeup on this lace yet, so stay tuned. Usually use my wide tooth comb to comb the curls out, but I can't find her, so we're gonna improvise with my paddle brush. Look at that. Oh wow, I think I might need to cut some more layers. Wow, it's giving blowout.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather.
Stop playing with her. It's giving I just went to the Dominicans, and I got my hair blown out. It's whatever I want in this wig, baby. It's cute, she's silky, but okay. Moment of truth. Y'all ready? I know you lying. There's no way. If I didn't have something on my lip right now, I would have to walk out and come back in. What kind of sorcery is this? I'm not understanding. Let me get close. This is regular. It's regular water. It's drinking water. I'm gonna put some makeup on and then we're gonna do the glueless check so y'all don't think I'm lying. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I... This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy. I'm finna go to the website and get a wig myself. The lace melts. The knots are tiny, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, lace pre-cut. The closure itself is actually, I think it's a 9x6, which means only longer than your typical closure. It goes right here to right here. So I'm also able to part it really any way. So here's the middle. I can part it on the side. Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. At this point, y'all, I don't even know what else to tell y'all, but go ahead and get y'all a wig from BGM Girl Hair. This one right here definitely didn't disappoint, and I forgot to mention that this cap is also an M cap. So the way they designed it, they cut out the ears for my girlies that wear glasses like me. Y'all know how annoying it is trying to fit your glasses around your wigs and how uncomfortable it can be. But this right here, off, slides on just like that, and it's not uncomfortable. I don't even really feel it there. It's soft, it's long, and it just flows. As far as it holding a curl, I did just curl it and they are already falling, but then again, I am running my fingers through it and running a brush through it. So I would say it can hold some type of curl. If you guys are interested in buying this wig, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you buy it, definitely get at me in the comment section. And other than that, I will leave all of the details and tools, everything that I used here in this video down in the description below for those of you that want to check it out. Let me know your thoughts on this wig and that new little hack that I just found out works. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Why you wanna play so bad? 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 But you know it's not real. But you know it's